Hey guys, it's Vlad Matei here. So basically, this is the coffee Lore Barista. It's 18 centimeters and 40 centimeters of tall, 3 kilograms, and we can get up to 1 liter of water into the deposit, and you can just put tap water. So basically, this is the front part. This is where the coffee comes out, and this is very easy to get out to clean it. And this is the deposit for the trash capsules. So basically, the water from the capsules goes in this small container, and you won't get a mess. This is where the capsules goes, easy as that. Just pull it out and in, boom. You get the on button and you get an easy and nice espresso. Thank you so much.